Hey guys, so this is my hair after a week of not straightening it, or a week of having my hair straight. And it's, as you can tell, it's so wavy now. It's getting matted back here. It always gets matted back here even when I have curly hair. So yeah, that's that. And today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to go from straight to curly. I think the last one I did was quite short, but I've changed it up a bit. This is the last time I straighten my hair for the year, and I thought this would be perfect to record for you guys. So let's get started.
First thing I do, I like to clear out my scalp with this apple cider vinegar argan oil, and it really gets all that gunk out of my scalp. And then I wash with this Mix Easy shampoo. I'm gonna do a review, but it is awesome. The whole line is amazing and organic. It's super refreshing, and I really suggest it. I do a deep treatment with Novex once a month. Just be a little careful with this because if you use it too much, it does affect your curls. But I do like it to use it once a month. And then afterwards, I just start brushing my hair and applying products.
Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is use this Mimosa Hair Honey by Carol's Daughter. I find this to be really moisturizing. It is for dry, brittle. I'm a hair product junkie. I am that girl that you know, does the most. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm scared that I'm gonna make it look greasy, you know, because although I do have curly hair and it's really thick, if I put a lot of creams and stuff, it looks a little rough. It looks a little rough. After I go ahead and do that, I got nails and I think I'm all that now, guys. I think you're saying. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this this Balm Main Choice product. It's a cream, as you guys can tell. I am not shy. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep putting a little bit more into this. Just really trying to moisturize my hair because I do wash my hair like once a week. I'm gonna go ahead and do this as a wash and go. This is gonna be a wash and go because the last thing I want to do is put heat on it with a blow dryer after I just had my hair straight for a whole week. So just try to make this process as natural as possible for your hair, and you're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me later. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the birthday party. I'm gonna put some makeup on, beat my face up a little bit, keep it natural because it's Sunday and I don't feel like putting lashes on, not gonna lie. And I'll be back to show you guys my wash and go. I'll be back.
Alright y'all, this is it. It's real fluffy and moisturized. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how to get your curls back. Just really lay off the heat after this and your curls are gonna come out looking bomb.